Here's a question for you. What happens when you drop your iPad 2? Oh, guess what? I fix it. Let's watch. The British have a word for this process. It's called fiddly bits. Fiddly bits. And in matter of fact, all the king's horses and all the king's men could not possibly put this back together again because of the hooves. Horses have hooves. How could they possibly fiddle with these fiddly bits? The truth is, this process was so fiddly, I can't even watch the video. In fact, I need to speed it up. Hold it right there. This particular ribbon cable took 2 hours to repair. The cable only cost $4. Hold it. The sweet sound of success. After importing parts from China and waiting for weeks and working all day long, the iPad is finally finished. But what did I learn? Nothing. Well, I learned how to fix an iPad, and I know what's inside of them, and I know that I wasted all day long working on it. What a wonderful thing. By the way, if you want to fix an iPad, I'd recommend you didn't. But, hey, it's up to you. Have a great Sunday.